Hello everyone, so in this video we will be unboxing this infamous camera that has been sold out everywhere, here in the Philippines, even abroad. So if you get your hands on one, you are very lucky. Okay, for this unboxing, we will be unboxing this DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. It was difficult to get one, so we would like to thank Infomax SMCT North EDSA for helping us to get this unit. So we would like to thank Sir Gemo and Sir Jason of Infomax. Thank you for helping me find one unit. So this is the Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo, and this is really infamous. I would tell you, I have been contacting the different stores of DJI since early December, so it's already half of the month. So yeah, it was really hard to come by. What is important about this Osmo Pocket 3 is the 1-inch CMOS sensor that could capture up to 4K 120. Okay, so you got some screen and some other details. And I know you have found a lot of videos about this unboxing because some people already had it last November. So we'll just go directly and unbox this. And why is everyone so excited about this? Okay. So basically, this is what you will get on the Creator Combo Kit. Let's start from the left. This is the carrying case, and it is not that similar with the Osmo Pocket 1, where there's a silicone flap. This one, it's friction fit. As you can see here on the sides, there are some grooves that will help you to hold the Osmo Pocket 3. And when you put it here, the camera is actually facing on the right. Okay, so that is the first one. Next would be this stand. So if you want to place your Osmo Pocket 3 on a table, you can use this to secure it and let it stand on its own. Next would be this lanyard. If you want to put it on your Osmo Pocket 3, you could actually put this so that it will be protected while you are using it outside. Okay, so next would be this extension. This is just an extension pole that you can put your Osmo Pocket 3 and have this this quarter mount and a USB Type-C port. So you could actually fit it here. And actually this has the same mechanism with the Osmo Action series, wherein they put this clip to hold the Osmo Pocket 3. Okay, next would be this battery extension. So this could output a good amount of charge for your Osmo Pocket 3, and it supports fast charging as well. So you would notice if the battery is drained on the Osmo Pocket 3, this can give its own supply, I think, in less than 10 minutes. So you would see that this is around 5% already, or it's really way below the charging. And this is really helpful if you're trying to shoot outside and there are a lot of things that you want to capture. This will extend your battery life very, very significantly. Next would be the very important part of this combo, which is the DJI microphone 2. Actually, it's really difficult to buy this directly from DJI because it's really sold out everywhere. One thing that is good about this is that you don't need a receiver on your Osmo Pocket 3. This would connect directly once you turn it on by pressing this button. And basically, the two of them will be paired already. Another thing is, this is also supported, and it will directly pair with an Action 4. Hopefully, in the future, it could also connect to a DJI Action 3. But for now, it only supports DJI Action 4 and the Osmo Pocket 3. This is really important also because it supports 32-bit float, wherein the quality of the audio is really, really good. You could actually simultaneously record an audio to this device and the Osmo Pocket 3 so that you could sync it after your shoot and while you are editing it. Okay, so this is really, really important, and this is really, really good. Another thing that you could notice is that there are some contact pins at the bottom part of this microphone, probably for a future use, wherein DJI might sell this together with a charging bay. So they are just future-proofing this microphone. Okay, next is, of course, this is really important as well. This is a wide-angle lens. As you can see here, it really widens up your view. See that? It actually sticks on the CV1 magnet here. See? It's really, really strong. The quality is really, really good as well. Okay, so this is really important if you want to increase the focal view of this Osmo Pocket 3, because I believe this is just 20 millimeters, and if you put this, it would go to up to 15 millimeters. That is really wide. And although not super wide, I would like the Action series, which is, I think, around 10 millimeters. So this is 15 millimeters. This is good enough if you're shooting outside, if you want cinematic shots, but you want to widen up your field of view. Okay? Of course, your USB Type-C and Type-C to Type-C. It's really important as well. But, of course, let's go and let's discuss the Osmo Pocket 3. This is really, really good. So we have to open this up. Okay, so this is the Osmo Pocket 3. Look at that. It's really big. I did not expect it to be this big. The Osmo Pocket 1 is, I think, this large. But the sensor is really, really huge for this one. This is the 1-inch sensor, and this is really important. Okay, so if you want to turn it on, you just need to flip this screen. And of course, we have to register this. So I'll just skip on that part. We'll just turn it on. And that's how you do it. So we have finished setting up this DJI Pocket 3. The way to do it is you have to connect it to your DJI Mimo app and then just follow the instructions, and as you are finished, this will be done. One thing that you notice is that it is in landscape mode the moment I flip the screen, but the moment I flip it again, it will be actually, it did not rotate because I think I disabled it. It actually auto-rotate. Okay, again. So as you can see here, it's actually shooting in portrait mode. So this is 9:16, and you can actually change your settings here. 1 by 1 or 9 by 16. Having it in portrait mode, as you can see, unlike with the DJI Mini 4, the camera doesn't flip vertically as well. What happens here is the sensor is not fully utilized for the portrait mode. It only captures up to 3K mode. Okay, so when you do it in landscape, it's switched to 4K resolution. So that is one of the downsides of using it in vertical mode. But of course, when you use it in TikTok or even in Facebook or Reels or even YouTube Shorts, you are actually uploading up to 1080p if I'm not mistaken. So you don't lose anything by using this, okay? One thing that I noticed with this screen is that it has a very high refresh rate. I think it has similar to a 90 hertz screen, which is evident with the Osmo Action 4. I just want to show you how good and how large that sensor is. I'm actually shooting this video using the Sony ZV-1, and we will try to review this camera side by side with this Osmo Pocket 3. And as you can see here, they have the same sensor size. And what we want to see is, does it really have the same video quality? So for now, I'll show you some footages of how I use this and what is the quality of the video. So hello everyone, we are testing the Osmo Pocket 3 right now. This is the internal microphone and the quality is really good. It reminds me of my Sony ZV-1. I'm still looking at the screen instead of the cam. So this is the quality. Okay, I'll try to. That is my wife, my very beautiful wife. Okay, so right now we will be testing the DJI microphone. We try to turn it on and let's see if the quality of the audio will be different this time. Okay, so so right now we are now recording directly from the microphone. So this is the audio quality. So far, there are some. The gain is a bit high. I think I need to adjust the gain setting of this microphone. It's clipping when I talk in this range. Hello everyone. So I'll show you my wife again. So that is my wife, very busy. So this is the audio quality directly from the microphone. Hey, tell something. Tell something.
Hello, hello.
Okay, so this is the DJI mic 2. Nice. So this is 1080p, 60 frames per second, 16 by 9 aspect ratio. So that is how it looks like on this Osmo Pocket 3. It's really good at night. So hello everyone, I'm testing now the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. We are doing some video test. I'm using the Insta360 Go 2 as my secondary cam, so you can see how it looks like when I'm shooting a video. So we are here at the market trying to buy some food for our lunch later. Okay. I'm enabling active track, so while I'm walking, you'll be able to see me. And right now the DJI mic is in this case, carrying case. So it became a microphone holder for this video. Alright, so we're outside. I haven't used the wide angle lens yet for this test. So let's try to use it so we would see how it looks like. Alright, so right now I'm testing this wide angle lens. It's a bit dirty right now. I think there is no oleophobic coating for this wide lens, so it's a bit misty on this video. There are a lot of people here, so I hope you can see how the DJI Mic 2 performs. So let's move around. Just try to walk, simply walking with this mic. And as you can see, the quality is really good. It seems like you're holding a compact camera. So that is with this wide lens. Let's try to remove it again. Yeah, that is better compared with that one. So this is a 20mm lens. So it's wide enough. And it's really good for vlogging. And as you can see, I'm about arm's length. No, actually, around no, not 6. Almost 12 inches away from my face. And I'm walking quite fast. The gimbal's really stable. So we have finally finished, and I hope you have seen the footages directly from this camera. And of course it can shoot up to 4K resolution, but I usually shoot in 1080p. So this is really a game-changing experience, especially this combo. The moment you use this both, see that it actually pairs really fast, and you can actually use this already for your vlogs. Actually, this is a vlogging camera, and most of the vloggers would probably buy this the moment they find a stock somewhere near you. So if I were you and you found a stock, you really want it, grab the opportunity to buy one, because it's really difficult to find from anywhere. And we were just really lucky that Infomax gave us the opportunity to get one. And we would like to thank again Sir Jom and Sir Jason for this camera. So this is unboxing of the Osmo Pocket 3, and hope you enjoyed this one. And as always, see you in the next video. Happy filming.